Welcome back. Boone County continues to reopen from the COVID-19 pandemic.
Boone County Commissioner Fred Parry joins us live tonight from our studio in Central Columbia.
Commissioner Parry, thanks for joining us. And
glad to be here.
As businesses, are starting to reopen, there are still nearly 20,000 Boone County residents that are unemployed. What have your conversations been with other leaders about resources that are available for those that need help?
Well, I think our first step is getting some of these businesses to reopen so that employees can go back to work. And then as a community, we need to be very intentional and strategic about putting our support behind some of these locally owned small businesses that have been closed. That'll help make a big dent in this. Unfortunately, most of the 20,000 who are unemployed are in the service industry. Those folks who work for restaurants and hotels, the restaurant business will come back quicker than the hotel business because we're going to have to reschedule a lot of conventions and meetings and trade shows. But those are the folks who really don't have a plan B. Those are the folks that don't have a rainy day fund. And so as a community, we're going to have to be very intentional about looking out for those folks and taking care of them.
So speaking of the restaurant industry, the City County Health Director Stephanie Browning hinted earlier this week about what the next phase of reopening would look like, allowing more people into certain businesses like restaurants. What have you heard as far as what the next phase will look like, and when can people expect that to happen?
Well, I think they're going to make announcements tomorrow, and the next phase goes into effect next Tuesday. So it sounds like they're going to be able to increase the capacity in restaurants by up to 50% of their normal capacity. So that's going to be a big game changer for a lot of restaurants because it just wasn't really possible to make it work economically having just 25% of your space occupied. And so I think we're going to see some big changes, and this is going to be a step in the right direction for a lot of our local restaurants.
Several weeks ago, Commissioner, Columbia City leaders and Boone County leaders discussed some of the concerns about rising cases in surrounding counties, not necessarily in Boone County. And recently this week, we're seeing Audrain County in particular see kind of a spike, if you will, in cases. Will that possibly slow down the reopening in Boone County?
No, I think we're going to see some significant increases in cases because testing is also going to dramatically increase. And so we know June 1st and June 2nd, the National Guard is going to be here in Columbia testing in the Hickman High School parking lot. We should expect to see our numbers go up considerably. Right now, they're about 1.5% positive of those being tested. But as long as we stay below that 10% rate, as the state health director said, we're going to be in good shape. But I think you can expect to see a lot of positive cases coming forward as testing increases.
I do want to follow up on that point, Commissioner.
Sure.
That you're talking about at Hickman High School, is that the testing the state is doing? Connor Hirsch talked a little bit about this earlier in the show. Is that related to that, or is it a different?
Yeah, part of the governor's plan is to have the National Guard go out and help with testing in different markets, and so that's what we're planning to see here in Columbia on June 1st and 2nd. So, they've been testing in St. Joseph, they've been testing in other cities across Missouri, and they're having big turnouts. And so, if you're asymptomatic, this is a good time for you to go and be tested. You don't need there's no charge. You don't need a doctor's order. You don't have to have symptoms. So, if you're concerned, now's your chance to go get tested.
Commissioner Parry, thank you very much for the time.
Thank you.